Let's move on now. Allegations and counter-allegations in the wake of TV actor Pratyusha Banerjee's alleged suicide refuse to die down. In an exclusive interview to India Today, Pratyusha's boyfriend Rahul Raj Singh has claimed innocence. He has demanded proof from those insinuating that he drove Pratyusha to death. He says he's hitting back as he has been called a criminal after what he believes has been a media trial. He has also threatened to file defamation cases against all those who spoke about him in the media. He has also claimed that Kamya Punjabi owed Pratyusha 2.5 lakh rupees. Even Pratyusha's parents are misguided, according to Rahul Raj. All right, let me go across to Surabhi Chatterjee. She's Pratyusha's friend and joining us at the moment. Surabhi, you know, Rahul Raj Singh has come out and he's lashing out against all of Pratyusha's friends who he believes have ganged up against him. What is it that Pratyusha had told you before her death about Rahul Raj's behavior with her? Why are her friends alleging that he could perhaps have been the reason who drove her to death?
Yeah, I can tell you one thing. I was knowing Pratyusha. She was a very bold and very innocent girl. And she told me once I met her at a shopping mall, and she told me, I'm not happy because of Rahul. And you know, Rahul is a big fraud guy. I don't know, he was married, he was having kids also, and he was telling lie always. And every day he wants abusing me, and he taking a lot of money from me. And when I said, okay, no, I don't have that much of money because I have to take care of my mom and dad, my parents, and myself also. And he said, no, I'm with you, and you treated as a husband, so you have to look after me because right now I don't have any work. And every day there is a lot of issues, small issues, and he started abusing and beating her.
Okay.
You know.
All right.
And,
all right.
Last time,
Surabhi, I would just request you to hold on to your thoughts there, because we also have Rahul Raj Singh. And let me put that question to him. Rahul, you know, it's not just one or two friends of Pratyusha, but there seems to be a plethora of friends here who seem to be suggesting that you did not treat her well, and some also suggest that you took money from her and perhaps driving her to death with your bad behavior.
Yeah, I was actually very surprised to hear all these friends, so-called friends, who just came on suddenly and as if like they knew this is going to happen. And where were they when, if they knew that I was not treating her well, why didn't they come as a savior and just took away Pratyusha? And if I was troubling Pratyusha so much, then why would she order a lehenga on 27th? Why would she go to my house in Ranchi and spend 8 to 10 days out there? And I don't think so. These friends who have said something about me, they had previous bad allegations on Pratyusha.
You know,
So
Rahul,
I actually don't want to
Rahul, there's Pratyusha's friend Surabhi, who we were just speaking with,
Rahul,
and
you are telling
she
lies.
seems
You are
to
telling
suggest
lies,
that
Surabhi.
Pratyusha did
You
not
bloody
know about
shit
the
guy.
fact that you were
cheater.
married in the past.
You are 420.
Yeah. Ma'am,
I know what type.
I
he
never
is a
saw
man.
you before.
Rahul is.
I never saw you before. See, I don't want to get into allegation. I know allegations. It's all in the court. And Pratyusha stayed in my house for 8 to 10 days, and where she met all my relatives. And if she never knew that I was married or something like that, it could have been easily come out in the public and in my house when she went there. So these allegations are just coming on. See, when I got married, it was all out in the media. It was in the Google. So Pratyusha is not a girl who has come from some small place who doesn't know how to handle an Android phone. So these all allegations which are coming up right now, because they just want to talk in media, and I don't want to talk. I don't know who is Surabhi Chatterjee. I never seen her. I just saw her that day, and she's claiming to her sister.
Rahul, the question.
So sorry, I can't answer this.
The question, Surabhi, I would like to interrupt.
You are a murderer.
Surbi, I would request you to hold on to your
I can tell you
let
one
the
thing,
courts
Rahul,
decide
you
that.
know
Let
how
the
to manage-
investigation
I would
decide
like to interrupt
what
and I
actually
would like to
happened.
say that you know how to
Pratyusha
manage
was living
doctor,
in Rahul's
you know?
house. She was not married to Rahul. Why isn't anybody understanding that she was living with Rahul? She came and into Rahul's house. If she had a problem with Rahul, any normal woman would have walked out. She didn't have. She had the freedom to walk out. She was not married to Rahul.
And she spoke to her mom on 31st night that she is very happy that she has started cooking like her. And I spoke to her mom, dad, sorry, like 2 days back. I spoke to her uncle 3 days back. I have messages from her mom stating me whatever. I have those messages. If I have done so much bad to her, she would have definitely complained her mom or dad or something like that. And see, I don't want to get into that. I don't know who is Surbi Chatterjee.
See, I
first
don't
of all.
understand this.
And
He was not
I-
married. There was a live-in relationship,
I
and
know,
she had
I
come
know,
into
I
his
know
house.
Rahul
So
called
when she had come into
Rahul-
his house, she had the liberty to go out. There was no marriage, there was no children, there was no problem. So if Rahul was bad, she would have left. She
And this
wouldn't be
female
admitting
whoever-
two
All
days
right.
back. She would
Let
not
me
have
ask
been,
both Sahila Chadda,
ordering a
who's Rahul
lehenga.
Raj's friend, sitting with him, and Rahul to just, just
days
calm
back,
down
I
a
can
bit
tell
and
you,
listen to
3
the
days
question
back,
I want to
Rahul
put to you,
called
Rahul.
his,
Surbi, I'd request you to just be quiet for a bit. Rahul, you know, there are not allegations against you only by Pratyusha's friend, but somebody who you call your Rakhi sister, Leena Dias, also seems to be
Ma'am,
suggesting
ma'am,
that you
ma'am,
did
it's
not
not-
treat Pratyusha well.
Leena Dias has been my ex-employee.
Ma'am, it's not an
And
allegation,
Leena
it's a
knew
fact.
Pratyusha
3 days back,
from,
Rahul called her uncle. Okay.
Rahul, go ahead.
Ma'am, we are so close, you know so much about it. Then why didn't you come
Rahul, please
3 days
answer
back
my
and take
question.
Pratyusha away?
Please answer my question. We'll go to Surbi in just a bit. Why are
said
people
it.
who are
He
even
said
close
it.
to you speaking up against you?
Who are close to me? Which people are close to me?
Leena
I don't
Dias,
understand. Leena was
you
an
seem to have
ex-employee.
suggested she's your Rakhi sister.
Leena was an
Tell me which
ex-employee.
Rakhi sister talks against her brother. There was no relationship like that. She was just an ex-employee.
Ex-employee, and as she says, she is so close to me. I don't think so. She was an ex-employee a year back in my company, and I met her in my holy event, and three or more times in a year. And she knew Pratyusha is like 7 days back or 8 days back, which I introduced. And you know what happens when the media comes up. A lot of people have said, I have a 9-year-old kid. There's allegations and all what you're talking about. I had a 9-year-old kid. I was married and not divorced. And I want to see my kid. I am claiming that I want to see my kid. Where is my kid who is putting in money for his or her education? And I have been, said a lot of things. I want them to come and show me those proof. They have said that they have videos me hitting Pratyusha, and I have said Pratyusha wrong, given my wrong impression. Then why would I take Pratyusha to my house? She has gone to my Calcutta house. She has gone to my Ranchi house. She stayed there for more than 15 days, and she knew everything about me. And if I was so bad, I don't think so she would have ordered a lehenga, or she would have come and.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go across to Surbi now, who has been very
Rahul,
keen on
see,
speaking up. Surbi,
because- no,
you
no,
just
I
heard Rahul
opened-
Raj.
I just opened-
What
I
is
just
your
want to- I just
perception
want
now?
to open something. Listen, 3 days back, Rahul called her uncle and threatened him, literally threatened him, he don't create any problem in future, otherwise I will kill him. And he is trying to do something, and he's managing doctor, he's managing police officer, he's managing lawyer, Mr. Neeraj Gupta, and he wants to outside, from this case. He is a murderer. It was a planned mapping murder, and I can tell you one thing, Rahul is a fraud guy, he is a big cheater from the Calcutta to Bombay. Just
You know,
see
Surbi,
his,
Surbi,
past
I want to
history.
interrupt you
And
there
he was
because
very
we are
bad.
not here to make allegations against people.
Prove it.
Let the investigating agencies do their bit. What we are trying to really ask Rahul,
It's not allegation, it's a
Rahul,
fact.
you just heard Surbi there saying
Ma'am,
that you
I
even
heard what
threatened
she spoke,
Pratyusha's
yeah.
family.
Ma'am, एक second, Saila ji, let me speak. It's the phone call she's talking about. I have all the phone call recordings and messages. So whatever she is talking out here in media, and she's thinking she's too smart, she has to prove it in court because I'll have this recording with me, and she has to show what I have spoken to her uncle. Her uncle's recording is there in my phone. Let me get my phone, and whatever I spoke to her uncle is there in my phone. So whatever she is saying, she has to come and prove it because you have the right to speech, but you don't have right to postmortem somebody's character. She is just not postmorteming my character; she is postmorteming Pratyusha Banerjee's character as well. And these think what they have kept on doing for last 1 month. They have no shame, they have no remorse that a girl is not there. They have been talking in media from day one. I don't understand why they are doing it. This all bullshit. And whatever she is talking, I have the recordings, ma'am, and I have the messages sent by her uncle, her mom, her father, and everything. Thankfully, there is some Apple call recording system, that was played in court as well.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Rahul, I want to ask you one more question. In your interviews after you got bail, you have suggested that you also repaid some of Pratyusha's loans. However, Pratyusha's family claims that she had enough money in her account. Why would she seek such a favor from you then?
Ma'am,
but the bank statements cannot be wrong, ma'am. So what is this nonsense? I mean, we are giving facts. We have given all the facts even in court. These are all fabricated allegations. The rest of them are
Saila,
just
I would
media
request
retweets.
Rahul Raj to answer that question because that question was directed to him.
No, but that's wrong.
Ma'am, I want to say one thing. Pratyusha has done really well. You're right that she was never in crunch of money or something like that. Then why is there no property or any property name in her name for last 5-6 years? She's been working in Bombay and she has paid a good amount of income tax. Why is there so much of loan on her head and which EMIs are not been cleared? First of all, this thing can clearly say that the EMIs of like a bank called Kotak Mahindra Bank, I'll just name the bank.
Okay,
she had around 11 check bounces.
Rahul, I'd request you
she
to
had
wrap that answer up quickly because we are running out of time.
Okay, fine. I don't think so. She was going through a depression on money. There are a lot of loans on her name which has not been cleared for months. She has a lot of service tax been pending, and that states my answer. And I have been clearing, and that account statement shows. And even in Power Couple, I have given my money to Pratyusha Banerjee's account.
Okay,
and,
so it does appear even now that allegations and counter-allegations haven't stopped over Pratyusha Banerjee's alleged suicide. That was Rahul Raj, her boyfriend, and Sahila Chadha as well as Surbhi Chatterjee speaking with us. We are taking a very quick break. Up next, a special half-hour show from India's cashing capital, 5 suicides this year and 19 in 2015. Is quota to be blamed? This is from the coaching capital of the country.